Alright, hi ghosts, Casparians, whatever you want to be called. Welcome to a new TA video. Um, so today, something incredible happened with Casper. You can see it on a daily, and yesterday as well. I posted a tweet saying that we formed a W pattern, then and we would go up, right? And we will. But a W pattern is something tricky, right? So let's look at it from a different perspective. All right, so W pattern right here, dig, 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 dig. On the daily, it's way more clear. Oh, that's the weekly. Here it is. Here it is on the daily. So up, 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 up. What will happen is, for most of the time, we take a fib from the high to the low, and it will retrace to one of these levels. What I think is that it's going to retrace to 0.5 or 0.6, and then boom, to complete this, to test this resistance zone here. All right, this is not the W, right? This little one is a W because we can see on the day on the 4 hourly yeah, sorry for my English. We see that this one has been interrupted by a lower low, right? See here. I mean, this wick was incredible. Jesus, look at that. um, what can we do here? And I will show you with fibs what we can do. Let's see, this to this one right here, because this one was too long. It's not a good representation of how it works. So this one is kind of normal. And you can see the take profit levels here and here. What I predicted on my Twitter as well, the zero point 0.4 just barely touched here. So the 0.43, that was great. The 0.35 I also predicted for you guys. So now this one is going to be the W that's being completed. I thought at the beginning that we would go way lower, that we would go that we would do something like this. So drop down, take below, and move down. But that one didn't come true. So let's see what we can expect as well. So there are multiple scenarios. There are actually a lot of scenarios when it comes down to trading. So you can see the double top that I predicted here, right? That it would drop. I mean, that one, that one, I still can't believe that I did that. So yeah, we saw a big drop. So now we're going to look at some key resistance levels. This is one of them. Let's look on a daily. The daily resistance levels are way how do you say, way more prevalent and way more important than the. So how I take resistance levels, so they're way more important on the daily or the weekly than on the 4 hourly. How do I take my resistance zones? Often, where the market was uncertain, right? There are doji candles, and there was a lot of like fighting between the seller, right? The seller and the buyer. The buyer goes up, the seller goes down, right? And this was a bearish one. So this was a very good sign that the price would drop as well. I knew this was a fake out because there was n not a single indication that the price would go up here. There was nothing. So this was a pure market manipulation, and we saw it, and it retraced even lower than it was before. Um, so yeah, 0.036, very cheap price for Casper, if I can be honest. All right, so the this is a very hard resistance zone. We can also see it if we take it back here. You see, man, look at this. Look at this here. This very hard resistance zones. These were fake outs, what we call them. Look at this resistance zone. This was a very big here. Look at this resistance zone. Oh my God, I'm so look here. Look here. Oh my Lord. Yeah. So this one is a very strong doji candle here. This is a very strong resistance. Um, we can break through it though, I think, with a lot of fuel, with a lot of rocket fuel. We got some rocket fuel here, but that's not enough yet. So what I want to get into is the W here. Hub, 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 hub. Actually, not that one. Oh, delete, delete. This one here, boom, 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 boom. It was completed. Now it's going to retrace back down here, and we will make some moves like this, this, and then here we can watch out for resistances because look at this. So yeah, this indication of the 0618 is a very good example of a resistance zone because this resistance zone compares easily to this one here. So that's another resistance zone that we have to draw. Boom. And we can see that it either accepts it, right? And we go through it, or it rejects it and we go, I think we can go way lower than. So yeah, what I'm predicting is like the total three on the total three we will see a collapse as well. I will show you this in the weekly. The total three is everything except Bitcoin and Ethereum, so all the altcoins, and we can see a definite downtrend here. Let's see right here. The third touch still has to come. This one hasn't touched. So the third touch is going to be around here somewhere. Let's draw them. Let's draw them perfectly together. Yeah, so not this one. So this was a third hit that we didn't get yet. This one, I don't know why I drew this one. This one also, this is on a daily, I think, that I drew those trend lines. But yeah, you can see the prevalent downtrend that we are going to seek, right? Yeah, so here you see this whole thing, everything comes together here. Also this one here, I'll touch this trend line, right? So what will happen is I think we might oh wait, this delete this. We had this downtrend here. Look how beautiful, guys. If we go zoom in with this Fibonacci from the high to the low, then we had a lower high, then we have a lower low. If you go from the high to the low, Fibonacci, then we can see the profit levels here, guys. Look how beautiful this is. I keep telling you this. So right here we had another high to the low, but we broke this one already. We can go a little higher, I think, and then we have rocket fuel to drop because then we also create a double top. Right now I see a W emerging. No, not yet, not yet. We will have to see that in a couple of few days. Yeah. So right now that was Casper and the total three. This was this one is a scenario, okay, and then the next scenario can be this, or it can be this. We will have to see what the market does then. For now, we can also just do this, right? I mean, I don't see anything wrong with that. And then a retest maybe of this support zone. Like if we break through this one again, then it's gonna be fireworks downward. So yeah, these are a couple of examples. So up, test this resistance zone of like a 3.9, 3.8, and then if we accept and go through it, if a candle closes above, then I see a retest of that same support zone, which was the resistance, and then we can even like this one is very prevalent, right? This is a very strong resistance level, so we can go either in it and retest it, but with those long wicks, but not close, and then we drop very hard because I think there are coming a lot of long wicks here or big candles like this and like this. So yeah, I think we can either do this, reject and go down, or accept, go up and down, or do this as well. Oh wait, or do this as well, like go down. So I think the downside is way more prevalent right now. I don't know why. It looks like we're still in a bear market and we're not in a bull market yet. So um, everyone be aware. Gold is gonna crash too. I can show you why gold is gonna crash too in this video. I'm making a longer video right now. I'm gonna take the total market cap and then gold. Um, Gold, USD, not crypto, gold. Here we go. All right, so we're going to the 12 months. You look at this, right? Gold just made a double top on the, look here. Even in the 3 months, it's a bit clearer, I think. Yeah, it made a triple top even. So yeah, I think gold is gonna crash. Boom. Yeah, gold is gonna crash. Um, for a lot of reasons, also trend lines, right? Like this hasn't touched yet. Hasn't touched the third one yet. Then we're going to look at a strong resistance zone like this one here. We can easily go down to this one, this level. Guys, this is very valuable information, so if you want to leave a like or a comment, that would be great. Here we go. So let's actually do this. Look at this resistance level that where we're at. All big candles drop, big candles drop, big candle drop. So yeah, gold's gonna crash soon. So that was that. And then I have a new project, KAS. And guys, KAS is an absolute beast. I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna be an absolute beast. Why? All right, so this third one hasn't hit yet. Let's see where I drew all of these previous time. Right now, right here. This one hasn't touched either yet. So this one will touch. I think this is gonna be the point. I think today or the other day, like tomorrow or somewhere in this week, and then we go up. We also get to see from the high, from the low to the high. We can also see that this might trigger the six. Ooh, the 6-1, the 0618 looks very, very beautiful. Um, so yeah, if it closes here, it wouldn't be a surprise if it closes here at the 3.7, like I told you on my Instagram, my Twitter. Um, this one also right here, not had a third touch yet, so you can see all these things coming together. You can see this one also not touched yet, the third one. Uh, Also not touched yet. So look at this spot, guys. Look at this spot. Like the major convergence of all of these. It almost looks like a David, a David star, a Star of David. It's very strange. That is no particular meaning in the crypto world, as far as I know. But yeah, I'm just ranting right now. So right here, very strong resistance level, very strong support level. See, all of it comes together, guys, all of it, and it's gonna be amazing to see this here. Also, you can see this very strong resistance zone. If we can take this resistance zone and like from candle to candle, let's see. Yeah, guys, so we are actually entering this resistance zone of the previous stop. And also you see the retest, the fake out, and then go up and down. Yeah, it's beautiful. Look at this. Wait. No, this is not important. This was too big of a move to really calculate. I think it's a lot of supporting community driven. But look, guys, this is messy. But look at all these things converging into one spot. I think gas is gonna explode. Okay, so see you guys. See you guys soon. And next Monday, I think if there are any updates or anything, if there are any questions, ask for me in the comments. Um, and then we also, yeah, then I can maybe answer them. I'm not a genius yet, guys. I'm just doing this for you and to give you a sort of like a peek into what trading is like and how much effort goes into all of this. So yeah, let's see and goodbye, guys. Have fun.